Hello, my happy littles. You have so many special words in your heart now. Let's use them to read some sentences. Are you ready? Let's go. The is on. The. Look, that's a cat. And this one is a mat. Now, let's read the sentence. The cat is on the mat. Lovely. The cat is on the mat. We read our first sentence. Amazing. Let's read the next sentence. She is at the. Good job. I see a park. Now let's read the full sentence. She is at the park. Can you read it fast? She is at the park. Superb. Excellent. We read one more. Now the next one. The next one. It is for you. Now can we read this fast? It is for you. Excellent. You read the sentence well. And what's for you? Stars. This one is easy. Off. Hey, what's that? A cup. And milk. Yes. Now let's read the sentence. A cup of milk. A cup of milk. Very well done. Next one. He is with his. And who's that? Dad. Yes. Now let's read this quickly. He is with his dad. He is with his dad. Superb! Now you can read the sentences so well. Reading is so much fun. Goodbye. See you soon.